Hello viewers, welcome back to the Technocrat channel. Once again, we are going to do a trick today, a simple one though, but it is challenging to some people. Well, today we are going to look at how to create shortcuts. There are different types of shortcuts. There are those shortcuts that you create on the desktop. There are those like this down here on the taskbar, how to pin them on the taskbar. And there are those that you create in the browser. For example, like down here, like this one here, we are going to look at how to create search. We are also going to look at how you can create a shortcut to YouTube, but from the desktop. It looks like a real application, but it's just a shortcut to the website. So before we get started, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, don't forget to comment just in case you have any inquiries. That way you'll be able to receive videos and notifications. Okay, let's get started. Well, to begin with, let us look at creating shortcuts on the desktop, and those are the easiest way you can create the shortcuts. First, you right click on the desktop and you come to new, you go to shortcut, and then basically this one asks you which program, what program do you want to create the website for. But let's say you want to create a shortcut for your favorite game and you don't have to search for it all over the computer to begin playing your game. Well, I'll search for mine. It's a game, it's called Bicycle Board Games. So you come here and browse for it. It is under the disk E, and then under folder called personal games, then BBG, Bicycle Board Games. I don't know if you guys have had a chance to play this game, but it's an interesting one. So mind you, you have to choose the exe file, the execution file. That is the file you normally click on when you're going to execute the program or open a program. So it's what you click on, because the shortcut will lead you to exactly this. When you click on the shortcut, you'll be like clicking on this particular file. So you click on it and say okay, and then you'll just say next. Here you can rename the shortcut. You can give it any other name, but for now leave it like that, and you'll say finish, and there you are. The shortcut is right here created. So that is it for desktop. Just to remind you a little bit, there are some people who do a mistake when they are creating a shortcut. I'll go back to the folder of my game that I've just created the shortcut for, under disk E, personal games, Bicycle Board Games. So some people come to the installation folder and they right click on the exe file and they create shortcut. That one will create the shortcut in the execution game, like you can see here, which we don't want that. Most of the time people want to create on the desktop because it's the easy platform to access faster. So that is it. That's a quick one, so put it in mind. I'll delete this for now because I don't need it in my installation file. Next, let us see how to create these ones down here on the taskbar. You can see we have word here. I'll remove this and we shall create a shortcut for it down here. So if you want to create a shortcut for maybe Microsoft Word on the taskbar, you just actually, for it you don't create, you pin it there. So what do we do? Come here, search for your favorite program. For our case it's Microsoft Word. Oh, it's already here. You can type Word, it's already here. You right click on it and then say into taskbar, and here it is. It's already created. You can move it to any position you want, anywhere you want to put it here. So for this case, you don't have to come again and search for Word. You just click on it and it opens very fast, just like you can see. Well, after that, we said we shall look at creating shortcuts in the browser. For me, I'll use Chrome. And you can go and try out Safari. You can, in Apple, you can go and try out Mozilla and see how they are different, how they are done differently. Today we shall look at Chrome, and if you can't do it there, if you have any queries, you can please comment down there and we shall come back and show you how it is done. But for now, let us use Chrome. This is an updated version of Google Chrome, and when you open it, normally it comes without, if it's new, it comes without these shortcuts, and we shall create a new one. So in case you just don't want to go into the hassle of coming to the URL and typing in www.youtube.com and then click and then it goes, you can create here a shortcut to YouTube. So these are the process. Normally this comes, there's a plus, so you just come here to add shortcut. It's just straightforward. So you put in the name of the website you want to shortcut you want to create. This time I want to do YouTube. I'll leave it for one. And the URL is the address, which is normally you type there www.youtube.com, and then it's done, and it will create a shortcut for you. If you have internet connection, it will even create the icon for you down there. So next time you come to your browser, you don't have to type in YouTube. I'll remove this still. So you don't have to type in the URL. You just come to YouTube and click, and it will automatically open. Your internet connection is good. So generally that's it. And if you want to remove, if you're tired of it, you can come here and remove. Well, just a note, there's a maximum number of shortcuts you can create here. I think they are around 10, not 5 in Google Chrome. I don't know for others, but you can try it out and check that out. So that is it in the web browser. But again, we want to create a shortcut of the web browser, of the website we want to the desktop. We want YouTube to be right here as a shortcut, to look like an application, but it is a shortcut. That's what we want, so that next time we don't have to come to the browser. We just go to YouTube and click and go straight to YouTube. So how is that done? Before we continue, please don't forget to subscribe. This has been helpful for you. Okay, so how do we do that? Well, in Google Chrome, you come to the upper right corner of the browser. There are 3 dots there. You click on them and come to more tools. Then you come to before we do that, I've forgotten a step. Well, first you have to come to the URLs. Let's type in the website you want to, which is YouTube again. And after typing that, you go to the website, and when you are on the website, when you are at the website, say you come back here, and on the upper right corner, the 3 dots, then you come on more tools and create shortcut. And there we are. When you click on create shortcut, it will show you this dialog box, but generally it tells you if you want to rename the name of the shortcut. There is open window. I think when you tick this, when you create, it will open another window. So you'll say create, and here we are. It has created the YouTube shortcut here. So what did we do wrong the other time? The other time we didn't go to the website, and what happened? When we came here and went to more tools, this one was fine. The create shortcut was fine. You cannot click on it. That's why we have to first go to the website itself. So that is it basically, how to create a shortcut of the website to the desktop. And for now, I don't want this here because I know where I prefer going the other side and clicking on them. But you can leave them here if you want. Me, I'll delete them for now. So thank you very much for watching. Once again, don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and comment down below. For any questions you can ask, and we shall be ready to answer them again. Technocrat, let's talk. Thank you.